Yep. Yesterday most of it was done. I take out already.
This is my Ring Video Doorbell 3 that I installed. As you can see, I put it here rather than where my doorbell is, because I figured out that if I open my door, I'm going to block the camera, and I didn't want to do that. So I put it in over here. The Ring people will give you this wedge thing in there, so you're supposed to be able to put it on your siding like that, and then the Ring doorbell lays flat. But as you can see, my vinyl siding is not big enough for this thing. This is about 4 inches, I guess. So I bought this thing, and it's in the vinyl siding section in hardware stores. I forget what it's called, but what it does is it sets in on my siding here, and then my Ring is flat rather than being tilted. The screws that come with this, they give you short ones and long ones, and I use the long ones. Obviously they're situated about right here, 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 and here. And this cover comes off, except I put in the security screw down here. They give you a screwdriver and all the tools that you need. So there's a screw down there that has a I don't know, a hex head to where it's not easily removed. So you would take this off, flip it, and the battery would come out. That's the Ring doorbell that I did. It was a real bear for me to put in, but I did manage to do it, so that's the good thing.
Pretty dogs!
English math.
How are you?
Alright.
Good. Well, we're missionaries for our church. We're out carrying messages about Jesus Christ, and specifically about what happens after this life. And
Well,